Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable setting up Roth IRA conversions on Betterment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Roth IRA conversions on Betterment, log into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to the Investing tab located on the main menu. In the drop-down menu, select Retirement Accounts. From here, look for your existing traditional IRA account. Click on the account to access its details. You will find an option labeled Convert to Roth IRA. Select this option to start the conversion process. Betterment will then provide you with information about the tax implications. Review this information carefully to understand your potential tax liabilities. If you're ready to proceed, click on the Continue button. You may need to specify the amount you wish to convert. Enter the desired amount of funds for the conversion. Next, confirm that you understand the tax implications by checking the appropriate box. Once you've confirmed, click Submit to process the conversion. Betterment will then initiate the Roth IRA conversion for you. After the conversion is complete, you will receive a confirmation. Keep track of your account for any updates or changes. Always consult with a tax advisor for personalized advice regarding your situation. This process can be repeated for any future conversions as needed. Now you are set with your Roth IRA conversions on Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.